Welcome back to Grill This Smoke That. Today we're cooking breakfast on the Blackstone. We have some sausage from Konica, we have homemade pancakes, and we have some scrambled and fried eggs. Let's get started. As with most breakfast meals, you got to start with the meat because it takes longest to cook. If you've got raw bacon, throw it on first, absolutely. This is pre-cooked sausage. We really just need to heat it up. So I'm going to go ahead and open the package and get it on. This is Konica sausage. It's one of my favorite brands. If you have a dome lid, now's the time to put it on. If not, this and all the other supplies I'll use in the video today will be linked in my Amazon storefront. You can click the link in my bio. While the sausage is heating up, let's go ahead and get the homemade pancakes mixed up. You're going to need 2 cups of self-rising flour. You can go ahead and add a little bit of salt. For our wet ingredients, we have 2 cups of milk, 2 eggs, a little bit of vanilla extract, and then a little bit of oil. Before you add your wet ingredients, always whisk the dry ingredients to make sure there's no clumps. Add those wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and then use your whisk to stir it up. Don't stir too much because you want the rising to happen on the griddle. Let's get this sausage flipped over. When the meat's almost ready, it's time to start your pancakes. Get some oil down. Tonight I'm using BaconUp. It's real bacon grease, packaged and sold in stores. Let's pour some pancakes. You don't need a fancy pour to do pancakes. A mixing bowl with a spout is just perfect. You can also do things that are fun, like add chocolate chips to the pancakes. Do that before you flip them. Another thing I like to do is add a little bit of syrup while they're cooking. This is a bourbon flavored maple syrup made by Crown. Once those bubbles start to come to the top, they're ready to flip. Everybody fails sometimes. While those pancakes are finishing, get your pan that you're going to put them on and set it on the edge of the griddle. Be careful not to touch it because it's going to get hot. But you want to warm that up so it doesn't immediately chill your food. While I get these pancakes off and get ready for round 2, it'd be awesome if you'd click that thumbs up on the video and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Add some more bacon up and it's time for round 2. I'm going to get this sausage off so I can start the eggs. I always cook my eggs last because I don't like them when they're cold. Get some more bacon up down. We're going to scramble some and fry some. Disclaimer, my family likes their eggs fried well. Fun fact, I used to run a dating service for chickens, but I was having trouble making hens meet. Yes, I'm busting the yolk. Yes, that's how they like them. Cook your eggs however you prefer. Salt and pepper. While these eggs are finishing, I'm going to eat this one pancake that I flipped and it folded in half. So delicious. Tell me what your favorite breakfast food is in the comments. Let's eat, y'all. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. It'd be awesome if you'd click that logo in the bottom left-hand corner to subscribe to my channel, and maybe even check out one of my other videos shown on the right. As always, I hope you guys have a great day.